Hello aspirants, you're hearing to the aspirant voice. In this video, we are going to discuss about Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandan Yojana PMMVY scheme. Before getting into the topic, this is the initiative, we call it mains map. This is an editorial analysis video for you people to understand and perform well and to memorize well and to perform well in your examination. You can like, subscribe and share it to your friends also, and you can press the bell icon so that you will not miss any update. And of course, in the description I'm giving you the link that is for the notes of this topic. Now let's get deep into the topic. This is 5 year, I mean this scheme making its fifth year anniversary, and after 5 years of its inception, the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandan Yojana was reviewed. So now let's understand some facts about the births in India. India basically accounts for a fifth, that is 1/5 of all births worldwide, and 113 per 10,000 lives births from maternal mortality rate. That is the maternal mortality rate. So 113 per 1 lakh lives births, and 260 lakh women give birth to one child each year. These are some facts. Now let's understand about the yojana. I mean about the scheme. Basically, this scheme is for the first living child in the family who will receive a cash incentive of rupees 5,000, and that it is directly deposited into the bank or postal account of pregnant women and nursing mothers. So pregnant women and nursing mothers, here we mentioned about it. But this scheme has an exception, that is the persons in the regular employment, I mean the women's, with paid leave or maternity allowances, and from their employers in the government sector, that could be state, center, or PSU either, or persons who receive similar benefits under the law that are not entitled. So basically, now we understood the program and of course the exceptions. Now let's understand what is the objective of this program. The first one is to provide the financial incentives which would lead to improved health behavior, and that will be helpful for the pregnant women and also the lactating mothers. So PW stands for pregnant women and LM stands for lactating mothers. And also the partial compensation for the loss of wages during that period of maternal period, that is in the form of financial incentives, and this will be given so that the woman can rest sufficiently before and after the birth of the first living child. And also here the state participation is implemented in the cooperation with the states governments, that is 60 is to 40 percentage. That is the ratio, that is like 60 is spent by the government and 40 will be spent by the state government. Now let's understand the regulation has retained the condition that the woman may not have more than two living children, not more than two. So not more than two children, living children. And several civil society organizations have called for these conditions to be removed for the system to be truly effective. But there are some systematic performance issues. Since its inception, it has since its inceptions, the PMMY, this scheme, sorry, PMMVY, this scheme has covered 2.01 crore women nationwide for a total of rupees 8,722 crores. So still this key, there are so many people that are supposed to get benefited. This is due to the significant exclusion. and also the decline in payouts during the COVID period. Because the COVID period is so different than the normal period, and then due to the COVID or other schemes by the government, the budget has been reduced. The all the stats of these points are given in my website. The link will be given in the description. You can download the notes or you can read the notes from my website. Now let's talk some states similar initiatives. While the center giving this scheme PMMVY system at the national level, states such as Odisha, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana have their own schemes for the pregnant women and lactating mothers. So let's discuss Telangana's KCR Kit 2017. It is started from 2017 and it gives items such as baby oil, soaps, mosquito nets to the mothers. And Tamil Nadu's Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy Maternity Benefit Scheme. Under this scheme, it is offered conditional money transfer of rupees 5,000 as maternity 5,000 as maternity allowance for up to 2 live births for more than a decade. And finally, Odisha's Mamta Scheme 2011. This is for the maternity entitlement program has offered a conditional money transfer of rupees 5,000. And here, Tamil Nadu's Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy Maternity Benefit Scheme, here they offer higher coverage and maternity benefits. So in comparative analysis between Odisha's Mamta and MVY, you can say that PMMVY shows poor performance with a 52% decrease. 52% decrease from initial beneficiaries. Whereas Odisha's Mamta scheme has shown 57% increase in women receiving all rates of money. The increasing in the beneficiaries rate. Now let's discuss the way forward. So before that, let's understand some important points. Other than this, let me come this way. It will extend the PMMY to the maternity benefits until the second birth alive. And also, the Indira Gandhi Matriva Sahayog Yojana previous scheme applied to 2 live births. That is previous scheme than this. And it is imperative to include the second live birth in maternity benefit coverage. And also the increase in maternity allowances, since the main objective of PMMVY is to provide partial compensation. So that is partial compensation. So partial compensation, we need to reconsider the amount of maternity allowance offered under the system. And most women continue to work during and after pregnancy because they cannot afford to lose their wages. So these are the technical things that are needed to be addressed. Now let's discuss the way forward. To fulfill India's commitment to the Sustainable Development Goal of improving maternal health and ambitious overreaching scheme for holistic nourishment, that is Poshan Abhiyan, by the Prime Minister and National Maternity Benefit System are promising initiatives in the center. However, the goals can only be achieved if we reconsider the design and implementation of this program, drawing lessons from states like Odisha Mamata scheme, which successfully pragmatically prioritized maternal health and nutrition. This is all about the PMMVY scheme. We have made the review. I hope you do like this video. If you do like this video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends, and also hit the bell icon. Also, you can find the notes which is given in the description. The link will be given in the description. Thank you.